The 27th session of the Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change kicked off on Sunday in Egypt's coastal city of Sharm el-Sheikh, with countries jointly seeking to combat the global climate crisis. In the past year, in addition to climate change and the lingering impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the world has been battered by multiple crises such as geopolitical conflicts, higher energy and food prices, increasing inflation, and frequent extreme weather events.
As COP27 gets underway, our planet is sending a distress signal. The latest State of the Global Climate Report is a chronicle of climate chaos. We must answer the planet's distress signal with action, ambitious, credible climate action. COP27 must be the place, and now must be the time.
Officials, negotiators and experts are meeting again. Collective, complementary and collaborative actions by countries around the world to adapt to the effects of climate change, mitigate its negative repercussions and provide climate finance have become the focus of this year's conference agenda.
Trying to raise the ambition in accelerating the climate action for more reduction of emissions would be vital and crucial to the whole world and for saving our humanity.
An Australian scholar on climate change has said that COP27 is an opportunity for countries to boost their efforts to tackle the issue.
So this conference is to lock everything in, make sure that countries stick to their targets, increase their efforts, increase their finance, and agree on what the global goal should be around adaptation, how to deal with impacts.